welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna unbox a item I ordered at Shopee. This is an Airpods. Note, this is not original but premium copy, and my brother recommended this, so I'm curious na magwo-work siya for me, and sobrang ganda, parang original pa talaga. But you can only purchase it for 699 pesos. That's already with the shipping fee na 100 pesos. So, expected po talaga matagal yung orders na dadating kapag overseas yung supplier nyo. So, this is the box. It's small, pero maganda siya. So, we're gonna... It's bubble wrap and it's super safe. So, hindi ka magsisisi.
Oh my God!
And I cut it.
Oh no!
Ay, kainis! Lesson learned. Oh my god, this is supposed to be the cover. Damn! Anyways, it's a free gift. Hindi ko siya binili or binayaran. But sayang. Ito naman yun. Lesson learned, guys. So here it is. Item. Tanan! Diba? Parang original talaga, besh. It says Airpods. Wireless charging case. Yung likod niya ganito. So, para talaga siyang original. Let's try to see how it works. Apple. So it says here made in China. Empty box, and it has a manual. Ayan. It's just a cover, and ito lang siya. Manual lang niya. Okay lang. It's Chinese language and has translated it in English. Ito yung manual niya. And here it is. Okay, so tatanggalin natin na siya. Let's check first kung anong nasa ilalim. So we have the charger. Manipis, but I think it's okay as long as siya. And then this is it. The problem is I'm using my phone. So I'll try to use my DSLR. So naka-green siya. Right. Here it is. Ang cute. Yeah, so we're gonna remove it. And by the way, mabigat siya kasi nga charging niya to. And designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And guess what? The main supplier of it, if you're gonna ask me, I'm gonna PM you. That's the supplier na legit siya. Kasi as per the product itself, it has already reached 22,000 orders. So this is the Airpods. So, I'm gonna cut the video right now because I'm gonna try to use my cell phone. And I'm gonna change it to my DSLR. Be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. And first thing to do is turn on your Bluetooth on your phone. But as per instruction, you have to put this iPads back. Okay, so uli muna natin sila so I can connect. Okay, so yan, sinauli ko na siya, and as per instruction, you have to open the lid and then press the small circle sa likod. It's not clear on the video, but once you press it, it turns green, and then you turn on your Bluetooth and then scan. So, hahanapin niya yung recent. Yan. So, lumabas siya sa... And then, press that. And then, it's pairing. So, allow. So, it's connecting now. So, you have to double check again if it's connected. And as instructed, it should always... You should always open the lid. Yan. So, it's connected na. And then, once it's good, you can get it sa lalagyan. It's already working guys, kaso hindi ko ma-demonstrate kasi kailangan lagay mo siya sa ears if it's working or not. 699 pesos. It's already worth it. This one it's perfect. Super small. So yung charger niya ay dito may sasaksak yung charging cord niya. And then any adapter would be fine. Would be okay. So, for me, this is a 5-star rating. Good job with the seller. Kasi ang dami nag-purchase sa inyo. It's more than 20,000 products already sold. And I think I'm gonna try to really recommend you. Sana maraming nanonood sa video na to. And this is worth sharing because this is informative. It's giving you heads up of making sure that you are not just purchasing something online na gusto mo, but rather making sure na legit siya, and then affordable, and then quality wise sobrang ganda niya. So kahit wala kang pera, okay lang kasi meron to. It's only 699 pesos and may Airpods ka na. It's working for iPhone and Android, so wala akong masabi, maganda siya. Sorry. Check. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.